Okay, how to plot symbols on top of a map that you have. So on the right, we've got the magnetics. On the left is the database I used to create the magnetics. You can see in the database here, I've got an X and Y column, and Geosoft knows it's my X and Y. So you should already have that little blue X and the little blue Y because you've created the grid. But just in case you don't, I just want to show you how to make sure that Geosoft knows which is your X and Y. So you go coordinates, and then you go, I think it is, wait for it, set coordinate system. And then on this drop down, you tell Geosoft which columns are your X and Y. So I like working in meters, so that's why it's UTM. So that's my X, that's my Y. You click on coordinate system, and it should ideally know what your coordinate system is. So for the Kunene complex, it is 33 south. How to find that is a whole other spiel, but you can put in a number here to easily find it. So I can let you know about that. Okay, and so once you click OK there, these blue X and Y should come up. So once you've got that, you go Map Tools, Symbols, and then you click on Location Plot. It says Masking Channel, and I don't really know what they mean by masking channels, because to me, masking channel is something you want to hide, so it doesn't make sense to me. But I always just choose my X or my Y value. Your symbols, you can choose. I often try to use dots. You play around to find the right size. Right now, they're going to be white dots with a white outline, so you could change this line color to black. And yeah, so let's click OK. And that didn't work. So my dots were too big. So you would just go back and go symbols, location plot, and we could change that to 0.1. Let's see if that works. Or else maybe I've done something else wrong. Okay, interesting. So you can keep playing around with that. I don't know why circles, dots are usually super small, but maybe let's try one more time. I'm sure at some point okay, that's a bit better, but maybe too small. So I can honestly tell you we didn't collect this much data in the field. So I think what's happened is I took a grid, made a database, and now I'm currently using that database to put it. So that's why there's points everywhere, because actually it's not the real grid. Maybe, yeah. Let's try this one quickly to get the actual database. So you can see in this grid, this map, okay, it has got these two columns shown as X and Y. So go Map Tools, Location Plot. That's fine. I'm going to click OK. Okay, that looks much more realistic for a grid collected in the field. And it actually makes sense why the last grid was so black in the first one, because there were so many data points. So let's put this back to 1. Oh, too many. So you see, you spend your life playing. It says 0.1. Okay, that's a bit better. So these are the individual data points. It looks like a line because they are quite closely together, because the instrument collects very often. But it gives you an idea of the direction that people were walking. But you can see here the students were going upwards. So yeah, that's how you put the symbols on top of your map.